This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater, and today we'll be doing a quick video walkthrough on the 2019 270 Vantage by Boston Whaler. This boat does have the white hull sides with black accented boot stripe. At the bow, we'll see the integrated stainless steel anchor and electric windlass, stainless rub rail, very nice hard top to provide shade with rod holders on the rear supports. So we'll move around back and step aboard the vessel. We'll see this boat is powered by the new 3.4 liter Mercury 225 outboards. Really nice power package on this boat. 4 rod holders across the transom. Stepping aboard, we'll see a nice wide open cockpit. Plenty of room for a few people to fish. But as you know, one thing Boston Whaler does so well, if you're out for a day of entertaining, we have very nice integrated seating that easily converts. Triple wide rear seat. Fore and aft facing passenger seat that does convert to a full lounge, either fore or aft facing. Over on the starboard side, we have a pull-out Yeti cooler, as well as a sink and nice prep area. Plenty of room on the dash for integrated flush mount electronics. This boat does have the Fusion stereo system, JL audio speakers, very comfortable helm chair with armrest, flip-up bolster. Over on the port side, very nice size head with stink and nicely accented countertop. You have a cooler in the floor, expansive storage under the starboard side helm, trash receptacle with removable bucket, and moving up to the bow, very comfortable forward or aft facing bow seating. And of course, once again, the electric windlass with wired remote and a wash down on the bow. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come on down, see this boat in person, or schedule a demo on the water today, or check out anything else in our very expansive indoor air-conditioned showroom. Thanks, hope to see you on the water soon.